So today I'll be showing you how to install RedNote on your Android phone. Now RedNote is a social media app and it's currently becoming very popular because everyone is running away from TikTok to RedNote because of the impending ban on TikTok. So what you need to do is on your Android phone, of course, make sure you have internet connection and then go to the Google Play Store. And on the Google Play Store, just hit the search function and then go to search and search RedNote. Make sure it's one word, RedNote, and then hit search. And from the results, this is what you're looking for. This or this, okay? It's the same thing, only that the top one is a sponsored ad. But when you open the app, that's what it should look like. Okay, so you can see everything is in Chinese, most of it at least. You can see the profile picture, and you can also see it's 142 MB as at the point of recording this video with 10 million plus downloads. So this is the app you need to go ahead and tap on the install button and get it installed on your Android phone. Should take a couple of moments, of course, depending on the speed of your internet connection. Currently installing, and once it's installed and it passes the Google Play Store verification for safety, you can now open up the application. There's going to be an important notice saying welcome to use that app, and of course you have the user agreement and all that stuff. Just tap on agree, and then you have some system permissions you have to grant because it's a new app. We have things like allow RedNote to send you notifications. I'm just going to allow for now, but that's personal preference. And then now you have the page to log in or sign up. But that's going to be a whole other video. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.